Welcome to Lavish Home Reflection, where luxury interior design meets comfort, creativity, and timeless elegance. Today, we are exploring a collection of breathtaking luxury bedrooms, each designed with its own unique personality, atmosphere, and visual experience. One of the most powerful elements in interior design is color psychology. The color used inside a bedroom can completely change the mood, energy, and feeling of the space. Let's begin with pastel pink luxury bedrooms. Soft pastel pink tones create a calming and peaceful atmosphere. These shades are often used in modern luxury interiors because they reflect warmth, softness, and emotional comfort. This balance prevents the room from feeling too dark while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. Another popular feature in luxury black bedrooms is ambient lighting. Hidden lights behind headboard, ceiling panels, mirrors, or wall textures create a cinematic atmosphere that instantly elevates the room. Velvet headboards, silk bedding, crystal chandelier, marble finishes, matte walls, and wooden panels all contribute to a more luxurious atmosphere. Adding neutral elements like plants or wooden texture brings freshness and life into the space. Lighting play a very important role. Soft warm lighting make your space feel more cozy and luxurious. In many designer bedrooms, green is introduced through accent walls, velvet furniture, decorative cushions, indoor plants, or statement artwork. The key to luxury design is balance. A room should feel visual rich but never overcrowded. Minimal furniture with carefully selected decor often creates a more expensive appearance than filling a room with too many items. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and continue discovering elegant interiors, modern home ideas, and breathtaking design inspiration with us.